Well, hi there guys, Mark here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Fafrees F20 Pro folding electric bike. So just in the usual fashion, we'll just run around this bike, talk about all the specifications, then we'll take it for a little ride down to Poole Harbour and have our final thoughts down there. So I checked the price on the website this morning. These are coming in around about £720, which is excellent value for money for what you're getting. That's about €829. I say it is a folding design, which is very convenient for if you wanted to put it in the back of your car, that sort of thing. Link in the description for you. So out of the box, 250 watt, 15.5 miles an hour, UK legal. It's limited. It can be unlocked using the old holding the brake, holding the throttle, turning it on method. So we will try it later on, unlocked, see what sort of speed we can get out of it. But came very well boxed, came with a very nice selection of tools, charger, all good instructions. The battery is big on it, so it's got a 36 volt, 18 amp hour battery. I'll show you that removed in a minute. Takes about 8 hours to charge overnight. They're claiming 90 kilometers, about 55-mile range. I think in the real world, using all the power, it's going to be more like 35-40 miles, but it's still a very, very decent range. Very, very nice build quality, exceptionally nice riding for the money, this bike. Nice sort of step-through design, you know, so if you're looking for like a city commuter, a comfortable touring bike, this would definitely fit the bill. Right, so it's a removable battery. You can charge the battery on the bike or off the bike. So just push the little lever under the seat here to flip the seat up, turn the key fully to the left, counterclockwise, pull the handle and up it comes. It's a big battery, 18 amp hour, so just to reinstall, just slide it in there on the channel, click it down in, turn the key and you're good to go again. So it's a folding design. Just pull down the lever on the front there, that lowers the bars. Pull the lever there, open that up. The bike will then fold down. And that's its sort of folded position. Quite light, it's about sort of 30 odd kilos, so you can put that in the back of your car. So out of the box, it does come with a throttle. That's a full speed 15 mile an hour throttle, so you can leave that on or simply take it off easily if you want to. Nice little LCD display. You can see it well even in this sort of bright sunlight, showing you your speed, power assist levels, trip and battery. Nice little bell. Cable brakes, which is what you'd expect at this price, but they work absolutely fine. We've got 20x3 reasonably fat tyres on this with sort of knobblies, so they're good for on and off road. We will try it on a gravel track as well. We've got front and rear lights. You hold down that button there. So nice that it comes with lights as standard, front and rear. Also has a walk assist where you hold the minus button and it just helps you go up hills, pushing it up hills. It's got the usual Shimano 7-speed indexed gears, but these are set spot on straight out the box, so that's excellent. Nice big rear rack there to put your bag on or your panniers. So no rear suspension on this, but it does have a very, very comfortable sprung seat. Decent front suspension with lockout and preload, so the whole bike is very comfortable to ride. Excellent. Adjustable bars there for height. Nice contoured grips. But overall, a fantastic riding bike. Looks really nice in this green, really does sort of sparkle in the sunlight. Also available in black, grey, purple or blue. So there's the initial walk around, guys, of the Fafrees F20 Pro. Let's do the test ride, shall we? Right, we're just down here at Poole Harbour. Tide's out quite a long way today. And we're going to try out the Fafrees F20 Pro. So when you sit on it, very, very comfortable, very soft sprung seat. Bike feels very, very light for an e-bike. Little bars that are all adjustable here. I love these grips. Nice little bell. So to turn it on, just hold the power button there for a second or two. Little LCD display showing you your speed, battery, assist level and your trip and odometer. I'm going to start off in assist level 1. So this is a cadence sensor, so it senses as you turn the pedals. So there's the power straight away within about 1 turn. Assist level 1, very gentle, 9 miles an hour. All the gears are indexed really nicely. So assist level 2 now, that's a bit more like it. There's 13 miles an hour. Into top gear. Assist level 3, right up to your legal limit, 15-16 miles an hour. Nice gearing, very, very quiet, very smooth. That little 20-inch wheels make it very manoeuvrable, very light, ideal for city commuting or touring in the countryside. So I'm just going to try a brake test out now, front and rear. Bit of a skid, that's good. I like how the power comes in straight away. But just for nice, gentle cruising like this, I say we'll try it unlocked in a minute. This is a really, really nice bike. Great value for money, around £700. So it's got a good range. I've done just under 6 miles and the battery hasn't moved yet on the indicator. Right, let's just do a standing start again, just see how that power comes in. This is push the pedals and there's the power straight away, that's good. Straight up to 15 miles an hour very quickly, that's great. So in assist level 3, I'm only giving it about 20% power from my legs. The bike's doing the rest, so it's a very powerful, effortless bike, really good at hill climbing. Okay, hill climb test time, about 20%. 1 in 5, I'm in assist level 3, gear 5 at the moment of 7. Wow, power's good. Look at that, straight up to the 15 miles an hour legal limit. Blasting up this hill with very little effort from me, so excellent hill climbing ability on the F20. Tackles hills with absolute ease, that's brilliant. So what's the F20 like on a gravel track? So little 20-inch wheels, 3-inch tyres, sort of semi-knobbly, but they're very nice. I mean, you've got a nice sprung padded seat. Front suspension, it's quite good. Obviously no rear suspension, but you know what, this is still a very nice, smooth, compliant ride. I've got it in assist level 2 at the moment, just gently cruising, 11-12 miles an hour. This is really enjoyable. The gears work really well straight out the box. Just going down to Poole Harbour now. This is handling this gravel track with absolute ease. So no problems at all for the F20. Assist level 3 now, loads of power, straight up to about 15-16 miles an hour. The gearing's good. So yeah, the F20's very smooth and compliant on the gravel tracks. I've unlocked the bike now using the old power on, hold brake, hold throttle 15-second trick, and we're going to see how fast the F20 is now. So I got it in assist level 3, top gear, So there's your 15, 16. So now the power just keeps on bailing on now. This is very good performance for a little motor. My legs are going pretty quick now. 25, 26, 27. So that's pretty good. 27 mile an hour unlocked. Just do it on throttle now only. I'm going into a little bit of a headwind. 17 on throttle, 18, 20 on throttle. Yeah, around about 21 miles an hour, 22. That's pretty good. 23. Oh yeah, 24. It's got cruise control. So there you go. 23 miles an hour on cruise control on the throttle only. Very good. So there you have it, guys. The absolutely brilliant Fafrees F20 Pro. What an absolutely superb bike and excellent price. So we're just going to run around the bike again. So I do like these contours to the grips. Cable brakes, disc brakes are absolutely fine. Nice little bell. Little display, but you can still see it absolutely fine. Adjustable bars to suit your height. The bike feels very light to ride. Very manoeuvrable. It does come with a throttle out of the box, full speed throttle, so you could take that off if you want to. Just unplug it. It's a folding design, folding bars, folding mechanism down there. Build quality is really nice. The welds look very tidy. Particularly like this colour, it really does sparkle in the sunlight. 20x3 tyres, roll really nicely. Very, very good for off-road tracks and trails. Even though it hasn't got rear suspension, it's more than comfortable enough. Nice plush sprung seat and front suspension makes for a really compliant ride. Big 18 amp hour battery, it's going to give you at least 30 miles, I would say, maybe 40 if you take it steady with the power. All the drivetrain smooth, very silent. All the gears are well indexed as well. We've got front and rear lights, excellent. Comes with all your tools, charger, everything. In actual fact, this was the fastest, quickest bike I've ever had to build. Literally take it out of the box, take all the wrapper off, and you're pretty much good to go. Convenient side stand there. Removable battery. Decent rear rack. These pedals do fold as well. But yeah, for the money, guys, around about £700. An absolute bargain of an e-bike. Rides really nicely. Excellent performance. Locked performance, 15.5, 60 mile an hour. Does feel really good. It's very smooth and it's decent performance unlocked. So there you go, guys, the Fafrees F20 Pro. Post your comments down below. Give me a like, share and subscribe, please. And I'll see you in a week or so for another two-wheeled review. All the best. Bye for now.